This 2010 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. MBE 350 Sport 4MATIC Premium Package 1 Sport Package 3.5 LV6 Engine 7-Speed Automatic Transmission Navigation System Rear View Camera Power Sliding Sunroof Premium Sound System Heated Front Seats Power Windows Cruise Control L Power and Heated Exterior Mirrors Keyless Entry Gray Metallic Exterior Black Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2010 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC Sport is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.